Every corporate legal team thinks they're busy, but most are just stuck in firefighting mode. Contracts everywhere, emails everywhere, deadlines slipping through the cracks. One agreement is in someone's inbox, another is on someone's desktop, and the most critical one, forgotten. And no one really knows what's happening in real time. Legal teams aren't slow. They're drowning in unstructured, invisible work. Here's the truth. The issue is not people. It's not capability. It's a lack of a central legal system. Low visibility means low control, which means constant chaos. When your legal ops run on emails, Excel sheets, and memory, firefighting isn't a phase. It becomes your default mode. Let's make this real. A company misses one contract renewal, no alert, no tracking, no ownership. The vendor escalates, finances takes a hit, leadership gets involved, and suddenly, legal is blamed. But the real problem? There was no system managing the life cycle. Now imagine this instead. A single dashboard where every contract is created using smart templates. Every stage, drafting, negotiation, approval, is tracked in real time. Automated alerts ensure renewal, but deadlines don't get missed. A central repository keeps everything searchable and accessible. AI identifies key data and risks instantly. Built-in compliance checks and audit trails keep you protected. And leadership gets live visibility across all contracts. This is exactly what platform like Jupyter CLM enables. A shift from scattered workflows to a fully structured end-to-end contract lifecycle system. From request to drafting to negotiation to execution, renewal, and compliance, everything happens in one place. If your legal team is always busy but nothing feels under control, you don't always need more people. You need a better system.